Children, the poet is asking the rain, who are you? And the rain is giving its introduction by saying that I am the poem of earth. And to hear this, the poet was surprised. He is saying, strange to tell me, he is saying that I cannot explain you, but still I am trying to translate whatever the rain has told me. The rain has told me that it is the poem of earth. Why it is the poem of earth? Because it takes birth from the earth, from different water bodies. So this is the answer of the rain to the poet. Eternal I rise, impalpable out of the land and the sea, bottomless sea. So the poet is telling about the water cycle, because the rain is generated from the water bodies like sea, rivers, oceans, and water vapors to the sky. Because of the condensation, the clouds are formed, and then the vapor is changed into droplets or the drops of the rains. So the rain is saying, upward to heaven, means from the earth I go to the heaven. Whence? From where? Vaguely formed, all together, changed and yet the same. The rain is saying that unclearly, means no one can see me changing into rain, because this is a process in which water vapor change into clouds. So that is why the rain is saying unclearly I am changed into the cloud, but still genuinely I am the same, means water remain water. So this is the explanation of the first stanza. Now the poetic devices in this stanza are, in all these lines, means throughout the poem, personification is there, because the rain has been treated as the person, as the human being, personified. Rain has been personified. Second thing in this line, I am the poem of earth. In this line, metaphor is here. Okay. And here in bottomless sea, hyperbole is here. Hyperbole poetic device is when we say something in a very excess way, means the things that are not possible. So here the bottomless sea, hyperbole, and in all these lines personification is here, and I am the poem of earth, metaphor is here. So you should write down in your book. Now I am going to explain next stanza. Now in this stanza also the poet is telling about the rain. Rain is the speaker here. I means rain. I descended to lave the drops, atoms, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. And forever by day and night I give back life to my own origin and make pure and beautifying it. So the rain is saying that means first of all I go to the sky and then I come back. Descend means coming down. Why I am coming down? I am coming to the earth to wash. Lave means wash. And which things I am washing? All the dry areas. Means wherever there is dryness, droughts are there. With the help of me, means with the help of my water, I make the earth green. I wash, I provide water to the field, and I clean all the dust of the earth. In normal way, the rain is saying that I come to the earth, and I give new life to the seeds which are hidden somewhere. Latent means hidden inside the earth, and still they are unborn. Unborn means not fertile, means some seeds are hidden in the inside the earth, and they are not still born, means they are not grown. But when I come, means with the help of my water, the germination take place and the earth becomes green and beautiful. So the rain is saying, and forever day means all the time, I always try to give new life to my earth. I make it beautiful, because this is my birthplace. This is my own origin. Origin means this is my birthplace. And make my earth pure and beautify it. Means I always try to make my earth pure, full of peace and full of beauty, as greenery is found here. Whenever I come, all the dryness of the earth is gone away, and it becomes neat and clean. Now rain is again explaining that it is giving the example of song. For example, song is generated from our heart. For song issuing from its birthplace is heart. Heart of the people means poets or the composer create any song whenever they feel very happy, when their soul is very happy, and this their song float in the air. People enjoy it, they praise the song, and lot of praise and appreciation comes back to the singer or to the composer or to the poet, and the person feels very happy. So what is the effect? That song is generated from the heart, and still it is giving happiness to the earth, means it is giving happiness to its birthplace, whether it is rocked or unrocked, means whether it is cared or not cared, duly with love written, but still it always give respect, give love, give honor to its birthplace. Simple meaning of this is that the rain is saying that I take birth from the earth, I go to the sky, I wander here and there, but again I come back to the earth and make my earth beautiful and green and very neat and clean, and I give new life to the earth by providing it water, because with the help of this water farmers grow their crops, and if crops are there, people get food from the farmer. If water is not there, rain is not there, crop is not there, then how the people will survive? So overall, the rain is telling its importance and its love to the earth.